Namaste Bharat. My name is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It's happy to see Akhanda Bharat. But do you know 1947's India was totally different than today's India. Yes, Britishers gave us freedom, but in the form of 562 princely states. I remember Free India was only a child of a year and a half. It has yet to learn, to walk, to grow, to be strong, and its future depends upon how we build it today. When I became the first Home Minister of independent India, I was fortunate that I got a real responsibility to build our own country and to integrate the 562 princely states under Indian Union and to redraw the boundaries of the United India. Do you think how toughest job it was? The people from royal families would be the part of the biggest democracy and to convince them to live like an ordinary citizen so that every common man can proudly say, India is my country. For unity, we must forget the differences of caste, creed and religion, and we must remember that we all are Indians and all equal. All must have equal opportunities, equal rights, equal responsibilities. Is this really difficult to achieve? No, it's not. But we must continuously strive towards that end. I tried to deliver what was expected by me under the hostile conditions, and it was a testimony of my steel-like determination and my rock-like courage. And that's how I earned the title of the Iron Man of India. And today, I can proudly say that our unity makes our country special. Thank you. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.